Hello children. So today I will be starting the topic the sentence, the English grammar. In English grammar we should know how to write sentence. Okay. So this topic is for class 2. So we all know that a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. That means a group of words which have some sense. A group of words which doesn't have any meaning is not a sentence, right? So a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense, which have meaning. So a sentence begins with a capital letter. We always write sentence with a capital letter. We start a sentence with a capital letter. We all know this, right? These are the features of the sentences. The words in a sentence should be placed in correct order. That means when we are writing a sentence, the order of the words should be correct. That is, the word should not be in a jumbled form, right? It should be properly arranged so that it forms a meaning. Understood? A sentence ends with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark, either of the three. Right? So it might end either with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. Okay? When the sentence is a statement, it ends with a full stop. When it is a question, it ends with a question mark. And when the statement is being expressed with strong emotion, we end the sentence with an exclamation mark. So, one point you should remember, exclamation marks are used at the end of the statements when a strong emotion is expressed. The emotions of a person, that might be a good emotion, that might be a bad emotion. It might be if someone gets surprised to see someone, oh my God, we put an exclamation after that, right? When we are talking to someone in excitement, we put an exclamation mark. When we get shocked, when we are in fear, those sentences will end with the exclamation mark. And tell a reader to add emphasis to a sentence. That means, what is the meaning of emphasis? Importance to a sentence. The exclamation mark itself gives importance, adds an importance to this statement, right? So if we are talking to someone with strong emotions, I am surprised to see you, okay? So not if I say that I am surprised to see you, we will give a full stop. But if I say, what a surprise, then I will put an exclamation mark. So these are the kinds of sentences which depicts strong emotions. As you will read, you can understand where to put exclamation marks. Okay? So here you understood what a sentence. The three main points are: the sentence will start with a capital letter, the word should be arranged in an order to form a meaning, and either the sentence will end with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. Next, I have given some work to you all, so let's see. So, see the instruction which is given here. Put a cross for the incorrect sentence and a tick for the correct sentence. So we have to find out whether the sentence is a right sentence or a wrong sentence. Okay, there is some important point which is missing in the sentence. See, first, in the forest saw I a huge lion. Is the formation of the sentence correct, children? No. First thing is that the sentence is starting with a small letter. Okay, so the sentence will not start with a small letter, will never start with a small letter. It will always start with a capital letter. So the first mistake is here, right? In the forest saw I. So is saw I the correct way to use? No. What we write? In the forest I saw a huge lion. And there is nothing after the sentence. This is a statement, so there should be an full stop. So there is no full stop after the statement. So there are so many mistakes in this sentence. This is not, so we can't say this one is a proper sentence. So what we will do here, we will put a cross in this box, because this is not a sentence, because it's not fulfilling the criterias. Understood? Now come to the next sentence. My little sister is hopping like a frog. See, this sentence is starting with a capital letter, right? And it has a meaning. The sentence has a meaning. There is a full stop after the sentence. So nothing is wrong with this sentence. This is a correct form of the sentence. So we will put a tick mark in the box. Understood? Next, what is your favorite color? In this sentence also, the sentence, it's depicting a question. It's a question being asked. It's starting with a capital letter. Okay, at the end we can see a full question mark, right? Can you see? Yes. So this is a correct form of the sentence. It has a meaning. The words are in a proper order to form a meaning. So this is also a correct sentence. Next, number 4, at the bakery. Is it a complete sentence? What? At the bakery what? Nobody can understand, right? It's not having any sense. So, and the sentence starts with a small letter. So tell me, is this the correct form of a sentence? No, this is not a sentence. We can't say this is a sentence. This is an incomplete sentence. It's not complete. If someone tells you at the bakery, obviously you will ask, at the bakery what? What had happened? So something is missing in this sentence. So we can't say this is a sentence. The dog barked loudly at the stranger. Okay? The dog barked loudly at the stranger. The sentence is starting with a capital letter. The words are formed in such a manner that it makes a sense, but one thing is missing. What is that? Can you see any full stop here? No. This is a statement, so there should have been a full stop. But we can't find any full stop here. So we can't say this is a sentence. So what I will do? I will put a cross. This is also not a sentence. Everything is right. Starting with the capital letter, the words formed together gives a meaning. But one thing is missing, the full stop. Okay? So there should either be a full stop, a question mark, or exclamation mark. We shall go to watch the movie tonight. We shall go to watch the movie tonight. Okay, so it's also starting with a capital letter, and I have just missed a full stop here. I should give a full stop here. Okay, we shall go to watch the movie tonight. So it forms a meaning. The words together forms a meaning. We it starts with a capital letter, and here I missed a full stop. I have given it. Okay, so this is a complete sentence. Understood? Nothing is missing in this sentence. So I will put a tick mark. My pet dog. Is this a complete sentence? The sentence starts with a capital letter, okay, but we can't say that this is a sentence because it's incomplete. My pet dog what? What? Your pet dog has done something, so you should mention it. Then the sentence would have been complete. My pet dog is not a complete sentence, right? So in this box, I will put a cross. Understood? Next, I have just forgot to make a circle here. I'm just making a circle for you all. Okay, what a shame. See, exclamation mark. What a shame. What a shameful deed somebody has done. So somebody is saying that what a shame, right? So we can say this as a sentence. Okay, a short sentence, but this is a sentence that if someone has done something wrong, something shameful, the other person is telling him or her that what a shame, with an exclamation mark starting with a capital letter. Okay, sentence starts with a capital letter. Understood? So this is a full sentence. So I will put a tick mark here. Okay, so hope you have all understood the sentences. What is a sentence, what are the important criteria a sentence should have. So you can practice this worksheet at your home, and parents can make more worksheets like this for their children and make them practice so that they come to know what is a sentence. I will be sharing more worksheets with you all. I will be doing in each class something or the other. Okay, so hope you all liked my video, and if you like, please hit the like button. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. And one more thing, I have 2 more channels. I will share the link in the description box. One is your story channel, whose name is welcome to the channel Story Time with Me, and another is the your toys channel. The name of the channel is Cubzania Kids Club. You can go ahead and watch those channels as well. All are new channels. If you like, you can go ahead and subscribe. Hope children, everything is fine. You have understood everything, and we will meet again with our next class. In the next class. Okay, bye-bye.